I'm Joy Daniels with Joy Daniels Real Estate Group. Are you thinking about selling your central Pennsylvania home in the next year? If your answer is yes, join me with our industry experts for an in-person home selling workshop on April 6th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at Giant Supermarket Community Center, 2300 Lingelstown Road in Harrisburg. It's called How to Get Top Dollar in the Spring and Summer Home Selling Market, and we'll answer all of your home selling questions. We'll talk about how to prepare your home in today's market, and we'll have RJ Harris, a mortgage lender, home inspector, and an organizer join us. If you have specific questions, please submit them in advance so we can try to answer them during the event. Here are some starter questions we'll discuss. Can I purchase a home before selling my current one? Is now a good time to sell? Are home prices dropping? Are buyers motivated now? What mistakes should I avoid? How do I get rid of my stuff? How do I attract home buyers now? And should I pre-inspect my home? If you're thinking about selling your home, reserve your spot today. If you have any questions about the event or real estate, don't hesitate to reach out via phone 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.